Hello and welcome everyone. We will be move on to the module 4. So the topic that I choose is derivative of implicit form. So the differentiation of implicit function. Implicit function is a relation of x and y that will be written as f of x and y is equals to 0, or a function of two or more than two variables or arguments. So an equation of f and f of x and y is equals to 0 is two variables or arguments. So however, we consider also um, more than two variables or arguments. Then for finding the um, derivative of implicit function, um, we will be applying the following. So derivation of the following with respect to x. So first, derivative of x with respect to x is equals to 1. So when the variable is you will derive the x, it is always 1. And for the second is the derivative of x to the power of n with respect to x is equals to nx to the power of n minus 1. And for the third one, the derivative of y with respect to x is equals to dy over dx, or it can be y prime. And for the fourth one, the derivative of y to the power of n with respect to x is equals to ny to the power of n minus 1 dy over dx, or it can be ny to the power of n minus 1 y prime. So we can use this derivation for our examples or for the mga activities. So for example, the given is 4x squared minus 2xy plus 15 y squared plus x minus 7 is equals to 0. Then we will find the derivative of each one. So derivative of 4x squared minus the derivative of 2xy plus the derivative of 15y squared plus the derivative of x minus the derivative of 7 is equals to 0. So the next step is finding the derivative. So the derivative of 4x squared is 8x minus the derivative of 2xy is 2. Then we will be using the product rule. X to the derivative of y plus y, then the derivative of x plus the derivative of 15y squared is equals to 30 y prime. Then the derivative of 1 x is equals to 1. Then the derivative of constant number 7 is equals to 0. So it's okay that we will not be putting the 0. Then is equals to 0. Then the next step is 8x minus 2. Then the derivative of y will be y prime, then plus y, then the derivative of x is equals to 1 plus 30 y prime plus 1 is equals to 0. Then we will be distributing the negative 2 to the x y prime and to the y. So it will become 8x minus 2xy plus 2y, I mean negative 2y plus 30y y prime plus 1 is equals to 0. And then for the next step, we will be putting the numbers which have a y prime to the left. So negative 2x y prime, then plus 30y y prime, and then the remaining will be putting to the right side, and the 8x will be negative 8x, and the negative 2y will be positive 2y, and the positive 1 will be negative 1. So we will be factoring this negative 2x y prime plus 30y y prime. So negative 2x plus 30y y prime, then is equals to negative 8x plus 2y minus 1 minus 1, and then we will be dividing both sides with negative 2x plus 30y and negative 2x plus 30y. Then cancel this one, then the remaining will be this one. So the final answer for this example will be y prime is equals to negative 8x plus 2y minus 1 over negative 2x plus 30y. So this is the derivative of implicit function for the 4x squared minus 2xy plus 15y squared plus x minus 7 is equals to 0. So that will be all. Thank you.